Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm showing how to archive teams in two different ways in just 2 minutes. First, using Teams application. So if you are a Teams owner, you can easily archive a Microsoft team. To archive teams, you need to click on the setting gear icon next to the join or create a team. So once you click that, you will be landed into the manage team page. Click on the ellipses next to the team you want to archive and select archive team. As simple as that. So what this will do is it will freeze all the team activity, but you can add or remove members and update roles. Check this box to make the SharePoint site read only and click archive. It will take few seconds to archive the team. Now if I navigate back to the teams list, I can see the archive icon next to the team. Now if you want to restore the teams, you can click on the setting gear icon again, and then under the archive list you can see the one team is archived. You can click on the three ellipses and restore the team. It will take few seconds to restore team for you. Second way to archive teams is using Teams Admin Center. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I will be uploading new video every week. Now I'm in Team Admin Center, so you can click on the teams from the left menu and click manage teams. And now I can select a team I want to archive and click on archive. Make sure the SharePoint site is read only and click on archive. It will take few seconds to archive the team. Once archived, you can see the status has been set to archive now. Now if you want to restore the archive team, you select the team you want to restore and click on unarchive. It will take few seconds and your teams will be restored. Thank you very much for visiting my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have any comments, put in the comment section below.